So folks, come home from work today, pleasantly surprised. Daniel, he done laid a lot of most of the drip line. Now we're just fixing the ends on it, getting it routed. The beans will surely appreciate a little bit of water. Of course the tomatoes and peppers also. And it looks like we'll probably have to, for a little bit, sprinkle, get the sprinklers out for the corn. Nothing happened, Lord willing, tomorrow. I know it's getting kind of late, but we're gonna plant some corn up here on this other 2/3 section up here. And I think we'll be okay. Alrighty, let's go over here and move on to the next phase of it. Get my little toolbox put up. Oh, little dragonfly. Okay, Dad.
Folks, I'm going to pull the drip tape down. That way it'll make it a little bit easier on Dad this evening there for whenever he gets off work. That way we ain't having to stop and pull it. But I've pulled up all the old drip tape from over there, and I'm going to run new lines down for the beans and the caterpillar tunnel and the tomatoes, and then the ones outside and the peppers. That way it's a little bit easier on Dad this evening there. He didn't tell me to go do this here. I just thought I'd go ahead and do it. That way it's a little bit easier on them this evening. Well, us. Mom, she don't know I'm doing it either. But what we got here, I got a stick, found a stick here, and I lined it up with the back of Greenie here. And what I'll do, I'll get Greenie lined up perfect, and then just pull it down like that there. I ain't gonna bore you into a whole lot there. I'll probably do the beans there, and I'll cut it back to Dad there. That way he can tell you all about the irrigation system. All right, let's get started.
Hopefully I ain't getting eat up by ants here. I moved that bag of dirt and there's a bunch of the ants underneath there. Alrighty, just push it on like that there, and then you actually thread it like that. It rolls it down, locks it in place. Now, need it up here. Take this little tool, stick in here, get us a hole where we want it. Pops in. Now I believe I showed you this last year. This is little goof plugs. When you pull these other fittings out, we'll have to put another one in down here. But right here, as you can see, here's a hole Here's another one here. Just take that goof plug, you stick it in there. It's took care of. That hole's sealed off now. You're only dealing with 12 pounds of pressure, folks. Now what I'll do, Carolyn needs to water her flowers in the greenhouse, and then we'll turn this on and then let the lines fill up with water. Then we'll get them twisted out the way they're supposed to be, and we'll take our little landscape staples and sort of hold them in place where they need to go.
Epic fail.